Hey, what's up everybody and all you ghosts? Elite Ghost here. Welcome back to a new reaction video to another death battle entitled Ratchet and Clank versus Jak and Daxter Death Battle. Yes, I have never played Jak and Daxter, but I have played Ratchet and Clank. I'm going to try to play Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart, but I don't have the game yet, so anyways. Yes, let's watch and react to this death battle. And hope y'all can understand and hear me well and good enough. Yes, so let's watch and react to this, shall we? Yeah, I like Ratchet and Clank better more though. The lightning bolt. Birds touching the lightning bolt similar to screw. Crash the ship.
Oh, that's the last time I let Quark fix the warp system.
Actually, weren't you the one who overclocked the accelerator?
Huh. This is new.
I like the 3D animation.
Hey, do you have any idea what you've done?
Yeah, hey guys, welcome to our home. Make yourself comfortable on the couch, if you can find what's left of it.
Nah, this isn't so bad. I can fix that.
I'm very sorry for your loss, Mr. Weasel.
Weasel? Well. Looks like it's us who needs to fix you.
Extended his Omni wrench. Oh,
break!
And one more for your mama.
You know, I actually really do like Jackson.
Get him, Jack!
What the fuck? Get a load of this!
Hey, what? Hey, Fuzzball! You're pissing me off! I got him! Mercy?
No.
You're
done for. Watch out! You can't keep up. Rest in pieces. Whoa!
Use the energy shield.
Ratchet!
Oh, dude, he got some minigun. Nice, cool looking gun.
Can't you go any faster?
I wasn't designed for this.
Let's try this! Any more weapons you want to throw at me? Like I need any more.
Eco?
Well,
Dark
maybe
Eco?
just one more.
Rhino?
Ratchet, behind us!
Now what?
Is this the Apocalypse Now song?
Get him, Jack!
Oh, hang on, the Dark Eco made a bigger too. Like, actually increased his size. Now he has this like light Eco with wings. He shattered him to
and
At least shatter them to
curtain.
pieces.
KO!
Oh, not the weasel guy.
Jack and Daxter were formidable fighters, especially when they had enough eco on hand. But Ratchet and Clank's better teamwork, superior defenses, and overwhelming arsenal trumped them in the end.
While they both had ways to patch themselves up, Ratchet's nanotech was way more reliable and plentiful than Jack's green eco.
And Ratchet's shields and incapacitative weaponry were more than enough to put a stop to Jack's more offensive eco.
Haha, take that, nature!
While Jack and Daxter's morph gun was one of the most versatile weapons we've ever seen, it absolutely pales in comparison to the sheer size and power of Ratchet and Clank's arsenal.
Jack's best shot was his dark form, but like everything Jack and Daxter had, it didn't take long to run out of juice. While Ratchet and Clank had more than enough gadgets and weaponry to keep up the fight.
Plus, Clank is an infinitely more capable sidekick than Daxter, especially his time manipulation and immunity powers.
It was game overture for Jack and Daxter.
The winners are Ratchet and Clank.
Okay, so, oh wow, yeah. Yes, that was Ratchet and Clank versus Jack and Daxter for you all. Yeah, I pretty much did enjoy it. I like it. I like Ratchet and Clank. Jack and Daxter, they both seem like pretty cool characters to me too. But I've never played the games. Although they should make a remastered remake for the current gen consoles right now. And maybe one for the PS4, for like the last gen console, previous gen consoles. Like, make one for the PlayStation 5. Like a remake. A remaster of it too. So yeah, I hope you all liked and enjoyed my reaction to this death battle. Please comment, like, subscribe, and share if you are new to my channel. It'll help me out a lot. I would appreciate it a lot. And also click the subscribe button to become a ghost. And click the notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Stay safe, be well, and be good to everyone. And peace out and goodbye. I'll see you on the next video.